The world's most advanced and trusted database for storing financial transactions is Bitcoin's blockchain. It can store thousands of transactions every second worth billions of dollars that come from millions of people across major countries around the world. These people have different interests, they speak different languages, and could also be enemies of one another in some cases. But there is at least one thing that they together believe and trust in. That is Bitcoin's blockchain. But what exactly is blockchain? And why does everybody seem to be trusting it with their millions of dollars? I have been in this field since 2017, and in the next 6 minutes, I'll break it down so you can finally understand it too. Let's start with the basics. A blockchain is like a digital notebook that everybody can see, but no one can secretly change. Imagine a giant spreadsheet that records transactions. Who sends what, to whom, when, and how much. But here's the catch. Instead of one person or company controlling the notebook, it is shared across networks of computers. Everybody gets a copy. And once a transaction is written in this notebook, it's locked in. You can't go back and erase or edit it. Alright, let's break it down step by step. Every time somebody makes a transaction, this information is grouped into a block. Think of it as a digital file. These blocks are linked together like a chain in exact order they happen. Each new block points to the one before it, forming a history you cannot change. Before a block is added into a chain, a network of computers check the transaction to make sure everything is legit. This process is called consensus. It's like having a group of referees checking every play in the game to make sure no one's cheating. What is blockchain and why does it really matter? Well, blockchain solves a huge problem of trust. In today's world, we rely on banks, governments, and big companies to handle things like payments, contracts, or identity. But what if they make a mistake, get hacked, or act wrong? Bitcoin's blockchain eliminates the need to trust a human. The system itself becomes the source of trust. The only way to truly trust a monetary system is by eliminating trust from the monetary system itself. And it's not just about the money. I can imagine Bitcoin's blockchain can be used for many things in the future. Supply chain to track expensive products from companies to store, healthcare to securely store a patient's data, digital art and ownership like NFTs, which is actually happening right now already. Okay, here's a simple analogy. Think of blockchain as a big whiteboard in your locality where everyone can write down the transactions. You cannot erase what's already written. Everyone sees the same things, and before anything gets added, the whole neighborhood agrees it is legit. Now scale this whiteboard up to millions of people and computers worldwide. That's Bitcoin blockchain. I feel like Bitcoin's blockchain can unlock a whole new world of possibilities, but we've only scratched the surface. If you want to dive deeper, check out the video on Bitcoin, how it uses this blockchain to create a new kind of internet, an internet of money. But I want to know from you, what's that one thing about blockchain that still puzzles you? Ask me in that comment section below and I'll get back to you. And I think Bitcoin's blockchain isn't just about technology or the money. It's about transforming how we trust and transfer value in the future. I can keep going on, but this seems like a good place to stop. See you guys in the next one.